Just a bit of analysis for you guys today. This should help you out where you're going to put your stops and how to get out of the market. Today we're going to be doing an analysis on this market. This is the US oil, and we want to find out where we can put our stops so that we can be profitable in the market. Right, looking at this, you can see that this is quite a trending market. If you look just straight, you will see that it's trending down. It's a seller's market. This is what you can see off the bat. However, you can also see there is opportunities for buyers in this market too. Every so often there's quite a trend that goes up. For example, here's a trend here that goes up. Here's a trend here that goes up. And over here on the left, there's two other areas here which go up. So you can make money out of this market whether you're going up or going down. Obviously going down would be favorable, but you can make money either way on this market. Now you can also lose money each way on this market too. Now just say we were at this area here, right, and we believed that we wanted to put a buy in here because we believed the market was going to go up. So we put a buy, just say we put a buy here and put our stop loss underneath here. Right, so we waited and waited for the market to go up. We were expecting it to go up a bit more further, but it didn't. It came back down on us and took our stop right there. That's where our stop is gone, right there. Can you see that? Now, if we were on the other side of the market now, if we were on the other side and we put a sell here, we put a sell in this area here, and we follow it and we wanted to follow it down, we can actually say to ourselves, I believe the market is going to go to this area here because there's many people who have put their stop losses in this area. So I can quite confidently believe the market's going to trend at least to this area because it's after this money here. So we can just sit there and quite confidently have a ratio up here. So we'll put our stop in this area here, put our stop up here, 70-point stop loss, and this here you can follow it down. Maybe you would say 80 points, 70 points. So that's a 1-to-1 you would be looking at in this area here. But you can quite confidently believe that the market is going to go in this area if it's favorable for you. Obviously there's more money there, but in this situation that's what we're talking about. Now let's say you were selling now. Let's say you were selling. So you put your stop here, you'd be okay. The market would sell and it would keep going down, right? But let's just say you were down here and you put a buy in. You put a buy in here and we are expecting the market to go up again. You think it's reached its bottom and you expect it to go up. Now, if it turns on that person, we can again quite confidently believe the market is going to go for these people's stops again. They're going to go and take these people's stops. So we can quite confidently stay in the market for this long, which is another 100 points. We can actually stay in the market for this long because we confidently believe that it's going for these people's stops. It wants to take out these lows and continue down on its trend. That's another thing, another way of looking at it as well. Let's just have another go, right? Let's just say you bought here. Some people bought here. The market goes up again, right? You put in a sell and wait for the market to come back down, and it's going for these people's stops again. You can confidently stay in for about 120 points because it's going to go for these people's lows here in this area. Can you see? It's just look at that. It's just slightly took them out. Can you see that? It's slightly taking them out. because people have put their stops underneath this area expecting it to go up, but it didn't. It went down. It might possibly go up, but these boys are going to be taken out. And this is what the market does. It takes people out. It takes all the stop orders out of the market. This is what it's designed to do. All it sees is orders. It doesn't see anything more than orders. It could be stop orders, buy orders, limits, whatever, but they're just orders that need to be fulfilled. And that's all the market is doing, going around hoovering up these orders. So if there's a colossal amount of orders under here, it's going to drive the market price down to get to these orders. And the same with this area here. This area, there's a colossal amount of orders. You can see just the way the candles are bunched up, that people are putting their stops under there. That's what they've been taught to do. The same thing up here. They're taught to put their stops underneath here to limit their loss. And if you're on the right side of the trade, you can actually determine where the price can go to, at least. So it should actually take out this low. It should take out this low here. It should take out this low as well. This low here is possible that it will go to, but you have to understand there's different. You have to look at the market. You look at the market and see this low here hasn't been taken out yet. Can you see that? These people here, this low has not been taken out. But if it's going to follow this trend down, this low is coming out soon. So if we get another sell, we can either look for this area here. There's going to be some stops here. This area already, the stops have been taken out. This area, there's stops. There's orders here. There's stop losses here. And there's stop losses here. So there's money in this area and money in this area. This money's gone. This money's gone. All that money's gone. And also, there's money here. There's money up here. There was money on this sell here. This big long candle would have made people come in for a sell, right? They put their stop losses in this area here. Plenty of people saw this candle, put their stop losses up here. It went down and went back up and took their stops. Look, their stops is gone. Even the people that put their stop a bit higher, look, their stop's gone as well. These people here, their stop is gone. Look, just by a smidgen, but it's gone. Their stops are gone. So it's almost like you can predict where the money is going to go just by looking at where people will possibly put their stop losses. It's just a way of giving you that extra confidence to stay in the market a bit longer. If you've got to desire to go for a 1-to-1 or 2-to-1, 3-to-1, you can set it properly by looking at the targets on the actual chart, not by mathematical equations or mathematical description. Look at the chart and then you would know what your ratios are. You may not understand exactly what I'm saying at the moment, but watch the video a few times and then kind of get a grip of what I'm trying to say. The market is designed to pick up orders. That's all it does, pick up orders. You think you've got control of the price, etc. No, all it is picking up orders. There's stop losses. The stop losses are actual orders. They're nothing more than orders. They do not care whether they're buy orders, sell orders, whether you're making a profit, whether you're not making a profit. They don't care. They are fulfilling the orders which are on the chart, which are in the market. That's what they're doing, filling orders. Some of them, they make more money than others. If you bought it for 500 and you want to sell it for 200, they will travel. They will travel to your stop loss to buy that because it's a bargain. So I hope you understand what I'm saying, and I hope we can actually see people understanding this and actually getting through and being a bit more confident in the trade. Because when you look at it with your eyes, you can see that it meanders. It goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes really high up, goes really low down. This is the tricks of the trade. This is what they do. It's an illusion, just like a magician. So looking at this chart now, you can see that a lot of the stops have been taken out. All these stops which were mentioned, they're all gone. The ones in grey show you where all the stops have been already taken out. So there's only a few people left in the game at the moment. And looking at this now, it appears that here people will be putting some money down as well, because that's the way it works. That's the way it works. There's also some people up here as well, in that area there. There's a lot of people in a lot of places, and you've got to understand that that's the way the market works. There's obviously other places where people are, but where the masses are is where they were taught to be, where they were taught to put their stop losses, and this is where they are. So out of one, there's even a few up here which have gone. No, wait, these people are still in. They're still in the game. These people are still in. Those two people, yep, they're still in the game. So we've got out of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them are out and 6 of them are still in the game, which is cool. That's good. But it's not going to last, because there's a possibility that these boys are going to get got, and there's a possibility that this is going to reverse and take this as well, and take this one as well, and even this one. So the longer you stay in the market, the more dangerous it becomes. So going forward, these long pips and long-term gains is cool if you know what you're doing. You have to just read the market and just look at it properly, and you can make money, but you've got to understand that they are after your money. Once you understand it after your money, then you know where to position yourself. I hope this makes sense. And if you need any more information, or if you have any questions, just let me know. I will be glad to answer them. Until next time.